Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make hibiscus flower oil for hair growth and treatment. To achieve this, we'll be using dried purple hibiscus flower. The hibiscus flower is a natural conditioner. It restores hair elasticity, leaves the hair silky, prevents split ends. I'll also be using coconut oil, which contains fatty acid that improves hair growth and shine. Tea tree oil, which stimulates hair growth and prevents itchy scalp. In a dry bowl, I added my shredded dried purple hibiscus flower and some teaspoons of coconut oil. Set a clean pot of water because I'll be using the double boiler method. Then I added the bowl of the dry hibiscus and coconut oil in it. I let it cook for a while. I let this cook for over 30 minutes so the ingredients will be extracted from the purple hibiscus flower leaves to the coconut oil. At this point, it has been brought to boil and it has started extracting. The next step, I poured the mixture into another clean dry container and I'll be leaving this for 2 days because I would want it to extract even more. After 2 days, I'll be using the container that I'll be storing my extracted hibiscus flower oil in. In a dry bowl, I'll be using this hair wig cap to sieve out the oil properly because I wouldn't want to just leave it this way or be using it from this container. No, I'm going to be squeezing everything out so the oil will be independently stored in a container for easy usage. So this is me sieving it out. You can use any other kind of strainer. Just make sure you have something that will not let chaff through. This is what our final product looks like. Our hibiscus flower oil is ready and I'm going to be using this funnel to pour it into my storage container. A few drops of the tea tree essential oil in this and voila, my hibiscus flower oil is ready to be used. You can use this for your hair oil treatment or for direct application. Like I said earlier, it boosts hair growth, it helps the hair to shine and so much more. Let me know if you're going to be trying this. Let me know if you've been using it already so we can encourage others to use this natural product. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.